When I want to leave a job, the first thing I do is evaluate my financial status to make sure it's even feasible at that time. After that, I take a moment to consider what I want to do, what kind of positions I'm interested in, and what skills I bring to the table. It's wonderful to have a dream, and important to have goals, but you have to make sure you're making positive steps to reach them. I do research into different industries and begin either updating my resume with the new skills I've acquired during my time in my current position, or begin learning new skills on the side that I feel might help me in the future. This sometimes takes me a while and I may have a setback or three, but it really helps with feeling confident as I make my transition. If switching to a different company or employer, I send out my resume and arrange interviews with prospective employers. If switching to a self-employed position, I start working on my business on nights and weekends until I start to see signs of success. Finally, when I'm ready, I begin discreetly packing up my workstation and spending time on my 2-week notice. Once that's complete, I hand it in along with a politely worded email and prepare to step into my next stage of life.